Hi, Roger Knecht, President of Universal Accounting Center, and I'm excited to have you come and join me at GrowCon 2022 here at the Living Aquarium. We're excited to have you come here to deep dive into your business and as an accountrepreneur, do what you need to do to grow your business this next year. Prior to GrowCon, we have a two-day social event for you that I'll refer to as pre-con. It's where you actually get to come out and spend time with me, my staff, other individuals associated with the conference, and just relax and enjoy the local attractions. Here at this two-day event, you'll actually spend time eating, socializing, and enjoying the local surroundings and attractions. So come and schedule your time to arrive early and participate in this pre-con event before actually getting down into the nitty-gritty of running your business on May 16th and 17th. So I invite you to join us Saturday and Sunday for pre-con and get the most out of this event from a sociable perspective and relax. You deserve it. GrowCon 2022 happens this May 16th and 17th. It happens to be a great experience for you to come and enjoy. Why? Because at this conference, we're going to be spending time working on your business to help you become the premier accounting firm in your area. As an accountrepreneur, there are a number of things that you need to focus on as you work to build your business. We consider it mapping the company. It's where we focus on the things that matter most: marketing and sales, accounting services that you're providing to your clients, and then production, what it is you're actually doing to do the work efficiently and profitably. Here at the conference, you'll be able to focus as an accountrepreneur on what matters most and build your business to be the premier accounting firm in your area. At this event, we have 5 objectives or themes that we would like you to take advantage of. The first being that we're here to help you engage and manifest your dreams. Identify what your goals are to actually accomplish as you start and build your business, and more importantly, achieve those. So with Engage and Manifest, we're helping you actually get clarity as to what it is you're trying to accomplish. The second is understanding accounting. It's literally defining better the services that you're providing and how in fact your clients benefit from those services. The third is increasing revenue. We're going to identify and focus on the marketing principles, the sales strategies and techniques you can be using to actually find and get the clients you deserve. The fourth thing that we're going to be focusing on is increasing profit. As we improve profit, what we're trying to do here is literally give you the tools and the means to make profit a priority, something deliberate in your organization. With that, we're also making it so that you can work on workflow efficiencies, your tech stack, and a variety of things that you need to be doing in order to ensure your success as you're providing these quality services. The fifth element is that of building value in your organization, building a company with an exit strategy in mind, having in place the systems and processes to ensure that you're working efficiently and getting paid what you're worth. At the conference, you're going to leave with a number of action items to ensure your success and help you actually become the accountrepreneur you need to be so that you can actually get paid what you're worth. It's here that you'll find the experts, the peers that you're working with, and also the coaches that are available to assist you so you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself with Universal. Why? Because accounting success is universal. So after you've made your reservations and booked time to come and join us for GrowCon, what I want to encourage you to do is pay attention to the announcements that will be released in the coming weeks and months as to different things you can look forward to. Any questions, reach out to your orientation counselor. They'll have the information you're looking for. And most importantly, get ready to actually enjoy this event and work on your business for 2022.